Hello and welcome to the Business of Business podcast. I'm Roy. You can always, as usual, you can find us at www.thebusinessofbusinesspodcast. We are also on iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Spotify. And so what we try to do is bring, we have guests that can help us in our business anywhere from a solopreneur like myself and, all the way up to managers of major corporations. That's the main reason I started this podcast was, number one, it helps me. I learn something from every one of my guests, and then, able to put that into work. Not only all the great people I get to meet. And so without any further ado, we'll talk to our guest today. It's Joseph Sudhip. He is with Business Model Designing, and what he does is he helps CEOs and business owners that want to stay ahead of the game